Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
The moment you lay your eyes on this futuristic Tesla-inspired 6x6 motorhome, it's immediately clear that this isn't just another RV. Every surface, every line, and every design choice has been carefully engineered to create a machine that feels years ahead of anything currently on the road. Even while standing completely still inside the showroom, it has an unmistakable presence that demands attention. The front fascia is clean, aggressive, and unmistakably futuristic. A full-width LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the nose, creating a distinctive lighting signature that instantly sets this motorhome apart. Beneath it, the sharply sculpted front bumper blends aerodynamic efficiency with rugged expedition capability, giving the vehicle a powerful yet sophisticated appearance. Take a closer look at the headlights, and you'll notice how precisely they're integrated into the bodywork. Their slim, angular design enhances visibility while maintaining the minimalist styling language that defines the entire vehicle. Every edge has been sculpted to reduce drag while giving the front end an incredibly modern look. Moving lower, the front bumper showcases an impressive combination of strength and functionality. The integrated lower protection elements hint at serious off-road capability, while the smooth aerodynamic contours help improve efficiency during long-distance travel. Now focus on these massive off-road tires. Their aggressive tread pattern has been designed for maximum grip across gravel, mud, snow, sand, and rocky terrain. Combined with heavy-duty alloy wheels, they create an incredibly confident stance that immediately communicates durability and adventure. One of the biggest visual highlights is the 6-wheel configuration. The additional rear axle doesn't just make the motorhome look more imposing, it dramatically improves stability, weight distribution, towing capability, and off-road performance. This is the kind of engineering normally reserved for extreme expedition vehicles. As the camera moves around the front corner, the proportions become even more impressive. The extended wheelbase, muscular wheel arches, and perfectly balanced body lines give the vehicle an appearance that feels both luxurious and incredibly capable. The body panels flow smoothly from front to rear without unnecessary interruptions. Clean geometric lines replace excessive styling elements, creating a timeless futuristic design that feels sophisticated rather than over-designed. The paint finish deserves special attention. The combination of crisp white surfaces with contrasting gray accents creates a premium appearance while emphasizing the vehicle's sharp architectural lines. Under the showroom lighting, the reflections glide smoothly across every panel, highlighting the exceptional body craftsmanship. Looking at the driver's side door, the flush-mounted design contributes to both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Hidden door handles preserve the clean exterior while maintaining a sleek, uninterrupted profile. The side mirrors have been designed with efficiency in mind, minimizing wind resistance without sacrificing visibility. Their futuristic styling integrates perfectly with the overall design language of the motorhome. Large panoramic side windows dominate the profile, flooding the interior with natural light while providing expansive views of the surrounding landscape. The black window trim creates a striking contrast against the lighter body color, giving the vehicle an upscale and contemporary appearance. As we continue along the side profile, the sheer scale of this luxury motorhome becomes more apparent. Despite its impressive size, every proportion feels perfectly balanced. The long roofline, clean body contours, and carefully positioned wheel arches create visual harmony from every angle. Integrated exterior storage compartments have been seamlessly built into the side panels. Rather than disrupting the design, they're almost invisible until needed, providing practical storage space for camping equipment, tools, outdoor furniture, and extended travel essentials. Ground clearance is another standout feature. The elevated ride height allows this motorhome to confidently tackle uneven terrain while maintaining comfortable access for passengers. The roof has been intelligently engineered for both functionality and sustainability. High-efficiency solar panels blend beautifully into the roofline, continuously harvesting renewable energy to support the vehicle's electrical systems and extend off-grid capability. Additional rooftop equipment has been carefully positioned to maintain aerodynamic efficiency while maximizing functionality. Every component feels intentionally placed rather than simply added as an accessory. Moving toward the rear section, the extended body design creates generous interior living space without compromising the vehicle's balanced proportions. The clean side surfaces continue uninterrupted, reinforcing the premium, minimalist aesthetic. The dual rear axles further emphasize this vehicle's expedition-ready character. With 6 driven wheels, improved traction, and increased payload capacity, this concept is engineered for serious long-distance exploration across virtually any environment. At the rear, the futuristic lighting signature mirrors the clean design language established at the front. Slim LED taillights integrate seamlessly into the body, giving the vehicle a modern identity that's instantly recognizable from behind. The rear bumper continues the theme of combining rugged durability with refined styling. Every contour has been carefully shaped to provide protection while maintaining the sleek appearance of the overall design. Stepping back and taking in the complete exterior, it's impossible not to appreciate how every component works together as one unified design. Nothing feels out of place. Every panel, every light, every wheel, every window, and every engineering detail contributes to a vehicle that looks ready for the next generation of luxury travel. Rather than simply functioning as transportation, this futuristic 6x6 motorhome represents a vision of intelligent exploration where advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, renewable energy, and expedition capability come together in a single extraordinary machine. Every inch of its exterior reflects innovation, confidence, and a bold glimpse into the future of life on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cockpit that feels more like a luxury spacecraft than a traditional motorhome. Every detail has been designed with a focus on innovation, comfort, and simplicity. Right in front of the driver is a futuristic steering yoke that delivers a clean, modern look while improving visibility of the digital displays. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information, including speed, navigation, battery status, vehicle diagnostics, and driving modes, all presented on a crisp high-resolution screen. At the center of the dashboard sits a massive touchscreen that controls nearly every function of the motorhome, from climate control and navigation to lighting, entertainment, and energy management. The minimalist dashboard layout keeps everything organized and within easy reach. The premium driver's seat is designed for maximum comfort on long journeys, featuring ergonomic support, high-quality materials, and precision craftsmanship. Large panoramic glass creates excellent visibility, making the cockpit feel open, bright, and incredibly spacious. Every button, display, and surface has been carefully engineered to create a clean, futuristic driving experience where luxury meets advanced technology. This cockpit isn't just built for driving, it's designed to make every mile feel effortless. Moving into the living area, the motorhome immediately feels like a modern luxury apartment on wheels. The open layout, panoramic windows, and premium finish create a bright, spacious environment that's both elegant and practical. The lounge offers comfortable seating for relaxing after a long journey, while the dining area provides the perfect space for meals, work, or simply enjoying the view. Every piece of furniture has been designed to maximize both comfort and space. The fully equipped kitchen features a sleek countertop, integrated sink, refrigerator, and built-in cooking appliances, making it easy to prepare meals wherever the road takes you. Smart storage compartments are seamlessly built into the interior, keeping everything organized without sacrificing style. Toward the rear, the luxury bedroom offers a comfortable sleeping space with premium materials and clever storage solutions. The modern bathroom completes the interior with a stylish sink, enclosed shower, and compact layout that makes excellent use of every inch. From front to back, this futuristic motorhome blends intelligent design, premium craftsmanship, and everyday practicality into one seamless luxury living experience. For more futuristic vehicle reviews, subscribe to Rolling Wheels' new luxury motorhomes, future RVS 6x6 concepts, electric campers.